In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Santander UK Mobile customer support using their phone, chat, and email options. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the information at your fingertips should you need to reach out for support or inquiries. First things first, you need to head over to the Santander Bank website. You can easily find this by simply typing in santanderbank.com. Once you have the homepage loaded, keep an eye out for the resources section. It's typically located around the top of the page. Clicking on resources will direct you to a hub of information and support tools. As you scroll down the page, you'll encounter a section titled, "How do I contact the customer service center?" This is your golden ticket to find the various ways you can get in touch with Santander. Clicking on this will open up a world of contact options. Underneath this section, you'll find phone contact details categorized based on your specific needs. Whether you're dealing with personal banking, investments, or small business services, clicking on these categories will reveal the contact numbers along with their operating hours. This ensures that you're calling at a convenient time to get your queries resolved promptly. Personal banking, Santander Select Services, Santander Private Client Options, and more are outlined here to guide you efficiently. In addition to that, should you find yourself needing more tailored assistance, another helpful resource is santanderconsumer.co.uk. Upon visiting, you'll see a tab labeled Help and Support. Clicking on it will direct you to a dedicated support section. Scroll down the page and you'll discover various contact methods such as phone numbers, email addresses, and the option for chat support. If you prefer the immediacy of instant messaging, there's a Chat with Us button. By selecting this, you can access their chat support, allowing for real-time assistance with your concerns. This is particularly effective for those who may have complex queries or prefer a quicker resolution without the hassle of calling. Alternatively, if you favor the written form, click on Send Us an Email. This option is ideal for detailed inquiries or when you need to keep a record of the conversation. The customer service team will handle your email inquiries with the appropriate attention and deliver the support you need. So, there you have it. Whether you're comfortable with the phone, find chatting more practical, or prefer the formality of emails, Santander has a contact method to suit your preference. With these tools at your disposal, reaching out to Santander's customer support has never been easier. Thank you for watching and good luck with resolving your banking needs.